Hi, this is Marty, and we're looking at my slightly pink and beige miniature, or the smallest version of the Euphorbia plants. Let me see if I can get closer and get a little more color there. There we go, that's the color. This is the largest bloom so far. We're in the middle of beginning of winter down here, so it's not translating into a nice warm picture, but in the meantime, I just wanted to show you my one of many 60 Euphorbia plants. Several are the same variety, but I planted them all up and down the area alone with the rest of the Doherty. I call the Doherty Infirmary. Where I put the plants before I graduate them into Mother Nature back in the garden. So thank you for stopping by. You have any comments about if you're growing any of your phobias? When we grow up habits, what I like about it is the fact that they bloom most of the year. So thank you for stopping by. Please leave a comment and please subscribe. Just like to get some attention. Thank you. Bye-bye.